Morning, all of you. This is the Dr. D.V. Rao from PR Government College. Presently, I would like to explain marketing management syllabus. Already, 201, 202 papers is over. Now, I am discussing marketing management. Marketing management is a very important topic. Market different, marketing different. A common people thinking marketing is the same, but you are the common students, and a slight difference is finding here. Market means goods, services, buying and selling at one place is called as the market. Marketing means marketplace different aids like this: goods, services, buying and selling at one place, and adding factors also is there. One is production, price, place, promotion, and transport activities, packing, branding, insurance facilities, or financial facilities provides to the market. That is called as a marketing. This marketing concept is very vast. Students thinking in simply market is a simple, not a simple. Market is a very huge area. So, my dear students, and you can listen carefully. First, marketing management syllabus objective is to develop an understanding of the concepts, approaches to the study and issues involved in the marketing management. The first unit's importance of marketing concepts, approaches to the study of marketing and marketing environment. First unit, the students observe marketing activities. You can observe various market in the located several areas. Other just a local market, other a national market or international market, and another market also there. Another market means foreign market. Importance of the market. Importance of marketing means marketing consumer is the most important of the in the market. Without consumer, the market not available. Gandhiji, according to Mahatma Gandhiji, says to customer not depends on production activities. Production activities depends on the consumer. It is a very important. This slogan is the very important. Consumer is the God. Ultimately, consumer is the God. Consumer not buying the goods or services, the goods or services also idle. It is a very dangerous. Purchasing power is the most important consumer activity. So here, consumer first priority given to quality of the product, quality of the product, quantity of the product, reasonable prices, watch. So here, importance of marketing. Marketing main objective is a quality product given to the customer. Customer where the product also there. So here, so and then concepts, approaches of the study of marketing environment. marketing environment to different activities influenced. Suppose for example, the various interested parties also there, finance department and insurance companies, transport facilities, and consumers, public, in government of India, state government of India, and judicial government also in the marketing involved. So here, marketing environment influenced the customer. Ultimately, customer is the God. Customer, without a customer, the organization cannot smoothly run. So every organization, production unit or a production organization's priority given to the customer. So target here customer. Dear students, you can observe in the marketing different areas. If you are going to in a local market, so you can observe a cloud marketing is there. So various peoples are there. Rich people or middle class people or poor consumers also are there. So everybody has purchased the goods or services. Rich person purchase the a quantity high, poor consumer quantity low. But both are purchase of the product or services there. So here and second unit, consumer behavior, market segmentation, market targeting, positioning, marketing information, and production mix management. So second unit too, very important. Here I'll repeat it now. Consumer behavior, market segmentation, market targeting, and positioning, marketing information system, and research. So what is the consumer behavior? And deeply involved here, కన్జ్యూమర్ బిహేవియర్. కన్జ్యూమర్ అనేవాడు ఒకసారి డిఫరెంట్ గా ప్రవర్తిస్తుంటాడు. సో కన్జ్యూమర్ బిహేవియర్ డిపెండ్స్ అపాన్ ది కస్టమర్ గివెన్ టు ద ప్రయారిటీ ప్రొడక్ట్ అండ్ ఇన్కమ్ సోర్సెస్ ఆల్సో. Income sources also increase the consumer behavior different. So here consumer is the most important. Consumer behavior like this here, income sources increase when immediately is a approach also different. So here in this nowadays in corona affected areas, consumer income source also decrease. Then he is a priority given to food grains only. In the same time, there is no corona. This time income source also increase. The customer style also changed. So he is a priority given to food grains and another products also priority given to him or his. So here marketing segmentation. Marketing mention it is the part. Market targeting and positioning and marketing information system research. So market targeting, who is the ultimate consumer. So here positioning, marketing positioning, consumer position observed by the marketing authorities. Here marketing information system, MIS and marketing information system and research. Big organization or economically sound organizations concentration the marketing information system. They are going to the customer level and collect the information from the market areas and what is the need the customer products, how to reach the customer, this product. It is a very important. Large organizations in India or the business organization, ultimately marketing information system is the developed and depends upon the customer. So here, marketing information system is a vital role in the market area. Without a market information system, the organization, the business organizations are large or small, these organizations cannot smoothly run. So here, marketing information system vital role in the organization. So here, so market research. What is the marketing research? The customer product searching new product, how to reach the new product to the customer. Immediately, you have to collect the information and immediately the information based on the results. So here, research means searching the new customer, searching the new customer, which place available new customer. It is a very important. Already old and existing consumer also is there, and business organizations and large organizations depends upon the new customer target. It is a very important. So here, for example, Reliance Jio first given to the strategy. What is the strategy? First 6 months of free to the customers. All customers are rich or poor or middle class family. No priority. First, all are free. 6 months enjoyable. The Geo plans. After that, automatically they are habitual, is involved in the consumer. Immediately the price also increased. They are addicted of the Geo plans. Without Geo, there is no consumer not working. So here, Geo means joint implementation opportunities anta. Geo ante joint implementation opportunities. So here, research. So the suppose for example, marketing organizations or business organizations or large organizations first priority on the new customer. How to identify the new customer? How to identify the new product? Suppose if you are launched the new product in the market areas, the business organization first conduct the survey. First conduct the survey. Marketing survey anta this marketing survey conducting at a field work. So marketing agencies or marketing persons, marketing officers, they are going to ground level. They are ground level working. After they collect the some of the data from the customers, then immediately data collected after going to another product launching this time immediately. So which product introduced in the market? So the market organizations identify this survey. After that, launched the new product in the market. Survey results also good. The marketing decisions also taken by the management authorities. Immediately launch the new product. Survey is the not good. The new product not launched it. So here, see, information is the vital role in the organization. Very important, very, it is a very clear. Information is a very important. Information means a good ground level. Some of the information, ideas, knowledge, sharing with the others. It is a very important. So big organizations and Reliance organizations conduct the research. Suppose a product launched in today, or 10 years or 20 years boom is there. After that, what happened this product? So immediately the customer style, the customer taste, customer attitude, like this, these are factors finding through research. So research also very important. And then Next, unit 3 discussing marketing mix, product planning, new product development, product life cycle, branding package, product mix management. So it is a very important market mix, product planning. After survey, business organizations start with the product planning. How to achieve or receive the customer data and the product also sent to the customer. Suppose Corona, Covishield, Covishield, Sera company product, Covaxin, Bharat Biotech company product. So both products are working COVID protection. So here the government of India concentration each product reach the Indian protect the COVID protection. So here the product planning, how to give the product. First, police officer, teachers, hospital doctors. This is the one of the planning. So the product launching time, the product planning is very important. How to reach the product to the consumer. In the same time, new product development based on the management information or marketing information system. Then product life cycle అంటే ఒక వస్తువు యొక్క జీవితకాల దశల గురించి వివరిస్తుంది. డిస్కస్ ద ప్రొడక్ట్ లైఫ్ సైకిల్. హ్యూమన్ సైకిల్స్ ఆల్సో దేర్. హ్యూమన్ సైకిల్ born, education, marriage system and family system, and then old age person, then going to death. In the same time, product also different styles are initial stage, maturity level stage or a decline stage, and start a new product. So this type of system is called as a product life cycle. And branding or packaging, what is the meaning of branding? Branding అంటే పేరు పెట్టడం. ఒక వ్యక్తికి పేరు పెట్టడం ఎలా ఉంటుందో అలాగా వస్తువు పేరు పెట్టడం బ్రాండింగ్ అని. Branding means different products names also known as a branding. Branding means like this. For example, Paragon, Bata, Reliance, this type of names also it is the like this branding. Branding is the recognized by the customers. And the same time, packaging. What is the packaging? What is the meaning of the packaging? Packing is the very important. Packing, good packing, customers priority given. Good packing. So customer going to the market, they are attract the packing and product not damaged. Why? Packet is good, the product also is the quality is there, quality is good. Packing, there is no good, the product is not good. The consumer attract the production. Suppose Horlicks biscuit packet తీసుకున్నారు అనుకోండి, ఆ బిస్కెట్ ప్యాకెట్ హార్లిక్స్ బిస్కెట్ ఉంటుంది పైన ర్యాపర్, లోపల మళ్ళీ ఒక అట్ట అంటే బిస్కెట్ మెత్తపడుతుంటాం. అదే విధంగా ఇక్కడ ప్రొడక్షన్ ఇచ్చేటప్పుడు ప్రొడక్షన్ లో ప్యాకింగ్ అనేది చాలా ఇంపార్టెంట్. క్యారింగ్ ఈజీగా ఉండాలి, సో దానికి ఉపయోగపడుతుంది. అట్లాగే ప్రొడక్ట్ మిక్స్ మేనేజ్మెంట్. దెన్ యూనిట్ 4 ప్రైస్ ఆబ్జెక్టివ్స్. Yes, it is a very important. Three units also there. Pricing of the, what is the meaning of the price objective? Consumer first thinking low price, good quality product. Consumer finding a good quality product and a low price available, he or she purchase. The customers are thinking a low price, maximum return. So here methods and studies, business organizations thinking good pricing, methods, strategies, distribution channel, selection, and management or retail management. Different prices also available. So here, penetration price, skimming price, psychological price is the example. Penetration price means a low price, availability of the product, low price. Consumers attract the low prices. The marketing organization first priority strategy given to the low price. Low price. Why low price? First priority given the low prices by the management organization. Why? The management organizations thinking consumer awareness this product. Consumer recognized this product first. So it is the strategy of the penetration strategy. It is the low price strategy. And deeply discussing another class. And skimming price. Skimming price ni Telugulo emantaru paala megadi dhara antam. It is a very price. It is a very high price. It means a penetration against the price. It is a high price skimming price. ఎక్కువ ధర పెడితే బాగా పెద్ద పెద్ద వాళ్ళు అందులో ఏదో మంచి క్వాలిటీ ఉందని అట్రాక్ట్ అవుతారట. అందుకని ఏం చేస్తాము, ఇది ఒక మన స్ట్రాటజీ. ఇది రిచ్ పర్సన్స్ ని టార్గెట్ చేస్తుంది. ఏది? ఈ ప్రొడక్ట్ స్కిమ్మింగ్ ప్రైస్. అండ్ ద సేమ్ టైం సైకలాజికల్ ప్రైస్. Psychological prices given to priority consumer psychology. Consumer psychology ఎట్లా ఉంటది? ప్రైసెస్ తక్కువగా ఉన్న ప్రైసెస్ అయితే మనం తీసుకుందాం అనుకుంటారు. సో హియర్ ద కన్జ్యూమర్ సైకాలజికల్ ప్రైసెస్ ఫర్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్ 199.99, 1,99,999. It means 2 lakhs rupees. Psychologically 1 lakh. Psychologically 100 rupees ఎట్లా అనుకుంటారు మేడం. సో ఇచ్చిదంతా 200 rupees. సపోజ్ మీరు యూ కెన్ అబ్జర్వ్ పారాగాన్ చెప్పల్స్ అండ్ బాటా చెప్పల్స్ 99,999. సో దిస్ టైప్ ఆఫ్ product also psychological prices, one of the strategy of the business organizations. And then distribution channel selection and management, retail management అన్నాడు. ఛానల్ డిస్ట్రిబ్యూషన్ ఛానల్స్ అంటే వస్తువుని డోర్ టు డోర్ అందించడమా, రిటైల్ గా అందించడమా, హోల్సేల్ గా అందించడమా అనేది డిస్కస్ చేస్తాం. ఆఫ్టర్ fourth unit pricing objectives the over, then start promotion. Promotion activities also implemented here. What is the meaning of the promotion? Here integrated marketing communications, personal selling, advertising, sales promotion, publicity and public relations, direct marketing, evaluation of the communication effort. So here integrated marketing and personal selling. What is the meaning of personal selling? Advertising. Personal and direct selling to the customer. Advertising. What is the meaning of the advertisement? Yes, here advertisement means the business organizations, they are prepare the product or services reach the customer. So here marketing or business organizations thinking advertisement. Advertisement means a good product or a services awareness created the consumers. That is called as the advertisement. Advertisement means the product awareness created the consumers. That is called as the advertisement. Advertisement different methods also there, different types also there. Advertisement management subject also is there in the MBA program. It is a very good subject, advertisement management. Attract the customers and a good awareness created the customer. It is very important advertisement services. Advertisement, a good advertisement provides a good results. So the business organizations compulsory expenditure on the advertisement. The advertisement without the organization cannot sell the product. There is no awareness, the consumer not purchase the product. So immediately good awareness provides to the customer. Okay. So advertisement and publicity also very important. My dear students, a marketing management subject also a net exam or a set exam and different jobs also involved with the marketing management. So uh, you can studying marketing management subject carefully in your home. Okay. Thank you one and all.